In this video, I will show you exactly how to customize a thank you end page layout using the powerful tools within Typeform. Creating a polished and professional finish for your survey or form is a fantastic way to leave a lasting impression on your respondents. And fortunately, the process is incredibly straightforward once you know where to look. To get started, you will first need to open your specific form within the Typeform Editor dashboard. Once you have your form pulled up and ready to go, take a moment to look at the list of questions on the left-hand side of your screen. You will want to scroll all the way down to the very bottom of this question list until you find the final section. This is typically where you will see the block labeled as the ending, or often simply referred to as the thank you page. When you find it, go ahead and click on that ending block to open up its specific settings and customization options. Now that you are in the ending block editor, you have the freedom to fully customize the content to fit your brand voice or the specific needs of your project. You can change the main heading to something more personal than a standard thank you, and you can also utilize the description field below it to provide extra information, share a discount code, or let people know what steps will happen next. If you want to make it even more interactive, you can easily toggle on a button that redirects your users to a specific website or perhaps back to your main homepage. Do not forget that you can also add images or videos to this page to make it visually striking. By taking these few extra moments to refine your end page, you transform a simple submission into a cohesive experience that truly reflects your professional style. It really is that easy to give your form a custom and memorable conclusion.